Truths, one lie. You might have played this game. There'll be 3 incidences of their lives which will come up on your screen, and you need to identify which of the 3 incidents is a lie. Next 2 truths and 1 lie is about Conan. Fell into the water with a passport. Wow, the worst nightmare. Flew to a city for 1 day and ended up in the police station the entire day. Okay. Holds a degree in media and marketing. Okay. Anybody has questions? Please put your hands up. Let's go.
When was the last time you renewed your passport?
2 years ago.
Oh, nice
Okay.
question.
2 years
okay.
ago.
2 years ago. Question number 2. Who wants to ask?
Flew into which city and ended up to-
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
In which year? In which year?
Last year.
Last year.
Yeah.
Can you tell
Sure.
us something about the police as well?
Are you
What
sure?
happened there?
Are you
Sorry?
sure? Last year.
Yeah, last year, April 2024.
Yeah, last year she traveled to 14 countries. Could be.
So one of them could
yeah.
be.
Okay, I have a question, Conan.
Huh.
Can you tell me the incident, why you went in the police station and all? I want to know that.
So we were actually flying a drone in front of the presidential palace,
Okay.
and the
Crazy.
president was passing by.
Why would you do that?
I want to ask you a question. I fly drones.
Yeah.
What drone was it?
Oh.
DJI?
Fuck
I
me,
don't know. I
man.
should ask my husband. He's the drone operator.
Yeah, I think, Viraj, can you answer that if you can? Yeah.
Which drone was it? This was Mini 3.
Mini 3,
Mini
is it?
3, okay.
Mini, Instagram version Pro. Fair enough.
Instagram version, very important.
Fair enough.
Okay.
The vertical one.
Next question, anybody? Yeah.
What are the 4 P's of marketing?
Product, price, people. What is the
I don't know. I didn't do it.
price, people?
I did BCom.
The worst part is,
Packaging.
if this is true and she messed up this answer, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Degree.
Oh.
How many times?
She'll be doing one in 1 month, I think. Yeah.
I don't know exactly. I mean, I don't know if climbing a small hill is counted.
Average number. Average number.
Can I ask a question as well?
Harness-
Obviously, yeah.
Once. Harness wala was once, I think.
Yeah, Parikshit.
And I need you to answer as quickly as possible.
Okay.
When you fell in the water with the passport, what happened?
I drowned.
Was the passport wet or no?
It was in me, like it was inside my pocket.
So you had to change the passport?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody else has a question? Yeah, go ahead.
Holds a degree from which college?
Amity.
Amity University.
University, Dubai.
Let's go. Next question. Question number 8.
What country did you get this passport drowned? Because we
Oman.
don't know where did you get the duplicate one done. It
Oman.
can't be India.
Oman. Yeah.
Oman. Oh,
What
okay.
city?
Salala.
Were you drinking?
No.
Oh, okay.
So you said you renewed your passport 2 years back, right?
Yeah.
So last year you took the trip to Oman.
No, I've been to Oman 10 times.
Which year was this when you drowned along with your passport?
2023.
2020. You're calculating.
2023.
She's trying her best, guys. Don't grill her so
I
much
could
also.
be fooling you.
Yeah, she's trying.
You guys are the ruthless audience, bro.
What was the fine at the police station?
We did not get any fine at the police station. We just had a lot of communication gaps. So they took the entire day to make us sit there, and we got immigration clearance.
Okay,
And
so
we
no
were-
fines.
no fines, no
Okay.
fines.
Okay, there at the corner. I'll come to you actually. Wait 1 minute. By the time my mic comes there, whole show will get over. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
So, what did you major and minor in for your media courses?
I did my major in marketing and my minor in HR.
A minor. I'll leave it. Okay, next. Anybody else? I think we are done with questions. Now it's time to guess the lie, guys. Guess the lie. 2 truths, 1 lie. Number 1 is fell into the water, has a degree in marketing, flew to a city in 1 day and was in the police station. What do you think is the lie? Crazy, right? I thought this was easy, but degree. अच्छा LinkedIn only checked. Okay.
भाई तू हजार तो पक्का लेके जाएगा. My God, that question was epic. Well done.
Wow.
Well done.
She did lose her passport, right?
Yes.
Crazy, man.
Yes.
And she did go to the
I
police
did.
station. Wow, that's 2 crazy things I don't want to try while traveling. And this is a lie. Obviously, this is a true photo, so she has done a degree.
I do have a
What's the
degree.
truth about that?
So my major was in HR and my minor is in marketing. I have never worked a single day in the HR field at all. So I am the prime example of holding the most valuable document which is completely worthless
Wow.
in my field of